Definitions and types of AI. Artificial intelligence can mean different things depending on context, technology, and the goals of a particular system. To better understand what AI truly is, it's helpful to define it clearly and explore the different types of AI that researchers and developers discuss. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI refers to the ability of machines or software systems to perform the tasks that typically require the human intelligence. These tasks can include understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, solving problems, and learning from experience. In simple terms, AI aims to create machines that can mimic, replicate, or even surpass human cognitive abilities in specific areas. However, not all AI systems are equally capable or complex. The field of AI is usually divided into three main categories: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligence. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is the type of artificial intelligence we see in use today. These systems are designed and trained to perform specific tasks and operate with clearly defined boundaries. Key characteristics of narrow AI are highly specialized. Narrow AI systems can perform only the tasks they are designed for and cannot operate outside their domain. No true understanding or consciousness. They do not possess self awareness or general reasoning abilities. Examples include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, image recognition systems that identify objects in photos, recommendation systems used by Netflix, Amazon, or YouTube, chatbots that answer customer services questions, language translation tools. Narrow AI can be incredibly powerful with its specific area but lacks the flexibility and adaptability of human intelligence. General AI, also known as strong AI or artificial general intelligence AGI, refers to systems that could be capable of understanding, learning, and performing any intellectual tasks that human being can do. Key characteristics of general AI are broad capabilities, able to learn and apply knowledge across multiple domains, not limited to a single task, reasoning and problem solving, can adapt to new situations and solve unfamiliar problems without being explicitly programmed. Human level understanding possesses cognitive abilities similar to those of humans, including reasoning, perception, and language understanding. As of now, general AI does not exist. It remains theoretical concept and an area of ongoing research. Scientists and researchers continue to explore how to develop machines that could achieve this level of intelligence. But significant technical and ethical challenges remain. Superintelligence refers to hypothetical future from AI that surpasses human intelligence in virtually all aspects, including creativity, problem solving, decision making, and emotional understanding. Key characteristics of superintelligence are exceeds human capabilities, able to outperform humans in every intellectual and cognitive area, rapid self-improvement, may have ability to enhance its own intelligence for beyond human levels. Significant impact could bring enormous benefits but also possesses profound ethical and existential risks. Superintelligence is a subject of philosophical debate, scientific speculations, and ethical discussions. Researchers and thought leaders like Nick Bostrom have raised important questions about how humanity can safely develop and manage such powerful systems should they become possible in future. Understanding these types of AI helps clarify the current state of the technology and where it might go in the future. While most AI systems today fall under the category of narrow AI, researchers and technologists continue working toward more advanced capabilities, with both great opportunities and significant challenges ahead. In this course, we will focus primarily on the practical aspects of narrow AI and the tools used to create intelligent systems that solve real world problems.